Hi, welcome to my channel. So today we are making delicious bitter leaf soup. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Keep watching. So to begin, go ahead and wash your cocoyam. Next, add some water, transfer it into your cooking pot and allow it to cook on your cooking fire. Next, go ahead and start boiling the meat, the protein you are using to cook. Feel free to season very well. Season with some Maggi, onions, and salt to taste. At this stage, my cocoyam is already done, well cooked. So I'm going to blend it. Continue watching. If you don't have blender, feel free to pound with your mortar also. Keep watching.
Mama was out my comfort zone, a place to chill like it's my own. Cooking secrets, hairstyles tight, motivation talks to feel so light. We're served with hearts so full, life made better step by step rule. Laughter's found on every face, welcome home to this safe place. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today. Find the magic along the way. A chill of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here. Dinner sizzle and stories glow. Braids and twists let beauty flow.
So at this point, I'm going to remove this fish from the cooking pot and transfer it into the oven to grill. Keep watching.
Stay a while, we'll lift your heart and make you smile. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today. Find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near.
Next, I will go ahead and add in the shaki. After that, cover and allow it to cook. Next, I will go ahead and mix the banga with some hot water. Mix very well. After mixing, you filter it out. For this process, it's always very good you do not skip it, because if you don't, you will not enjoy your banga. Reason is that when you mix and filter it, you will see a lot of dirty and sands, so please make sure you don't skip this step. It's very important. Except you are using the fresh one, then you are good to go. Keep watching.
Find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here.
So at this point, I'm going to pour it inside the pot which I will use to cook the soup. But before then, if you notice, I removed some water out from the pot because I noticed that the water is too much when I add this banga sauce. Okay, guys. If you notice that your soup will be watery, try and remove the soak water before adding this banga. So as for the stock water, don't worry, I'm not throwing it away. I will store it in my freezer. I will use it later to cook, maybe stew, jollof rice, or what have you. You can see the dirt, all the dirty that came out from the banga. That is the reason why that process is very important. Keep watching.
Mama, what's up? My comfort zone, a place to chill like it's my own. Cooking secrets, hairstyles tight, motivation talks.
At this point, I'll go ahead and add in the cocoyam inside the pot as our thickener. Okay, guys, keep watching.
On every face, welcome home to this safe place. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today. Find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here. Dinner sizzle and stories glow. Braids and twists let beauty flow. Life's lessons here we hit reset. All your worries you can't forget.
At this point, we are going to cover the pot, allow it to boil. When it starts boiling, I will go ahead and add in my Ogiri, which is my local spice. Feel free to check out the description box of this video. I will list out all the ingredients I use for this recipe. Next, I go ahead and add in my blended crayfish. Yeah, just be generous with the crayfish. At this point, just stir properly, give it a good stir, cover again, and let it cook for 10 minutes. Keep watching. At this point, the outcome is looking beautiful. I will stir again and test for seasoning. So after testing the soup, I noticed that the soup still needs some salt, so which I added some salt. At this point, feel free to any seasoning that is missing, like salt, Maggi, feel free to add in any one. Keep watching.
Grab your tea, come stay a while. We'll lift your heart and make you smile. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today. Find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort.
At this stage, the taste of the soup is perfect. So yummy, so delicious. I will go ahead and add in my bitter leaf. You can use oha. Okay guys, continue watching. At this point, the soup is looking good, so I will let it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. And as that is going on, I'm making my wheat swallow, so I'm going to enjoy this soup with sweet. You can also enjoy yours with gari, fufu, pounded yam, any swallows of your choice, semovita, name it all. Okay, guys.
Always serve with heart so full. Life made better step by step rule. Laughter's found on every face. Welcome home to this safe place. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today. Find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. You're home with me right here. Dinner sizzle and stories glow. Braids and twists let beauty flow.